So we're in Clovis, California, and we are flushing a Rinnai V75 tankless water heater. This is a Benchmark home. Benchmark, Woodside, can't remember. They've recently changed to Century Communities. So I know the plumbing here was done by Fresno Plumbing and Heating. Same plumbing company did the plumbing at our house. And it's the V75 unit. It's the value series from Rinnai. It's a non-condensing unit, so that's fine. Vented to the outside. So pretty straightforward installation. They use the Jomar kits right here. I'll talk a little bit louder because the pump's running right now. They use the Jomar kit, hot and cold, you can see, red and blue. So the valve's off in this position. Normal functionality is the unit itself is plugged in, so it's unplugged right now. And then of course gas is on, it's off right now. This is the position when the gas is on. So what we do is we come in, we activate the relief valve. That fires up the unit and starts opening up sensors for water flow. As soon as the burner kicks on, we pull the power, shut off the gas, and then we know it's time to hook up the hoses. From here, hot and cold gets shut off. So these valves are normally in the excuse me, straight down position, which allows water into the unit on the cold side and back out of the unit on the hot side and goes into the home. So what we do here, this guy, we shut him off, hook up hoses here, drain all the water out of the unit, and then once all the water's done, hook it up. Cold comes from the pump. The blue hose, you can see it's hooked up to the submersible pump. 3 gallons of distilled white vinegar, and then we plug that guy in. So the cold line, the blue line, pulls the vinegar out of the 5-gallon bucket, takes it into the unit through the heat exchanger, comes back out the hot side or the red hose here, and then down and dumps back into the bucket. You can see you've got nice good flow here. It's been going about a half an hour already, and that's really good flow. You usually have trouble, you know you're having trouble if about halfway through your flush or even sooner the flow starts to slow down. That means you've got some kind of debris that's blocking the heat exchanger. So I highly doubt you'll have any trouble with this unit. It's I think the home is maybe a couple years old. It's out here, subdivision near Harlan Ranch, and this is where we used to live out here. So anyways, good unit. They got a flush kit on here. We'll get this guy flushed out and back online here in a minute. Outside of that, this service call is done.